kaibigan, again, welcome sa iyo. Sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa iyo ang tamang mindset ng isang profesional na negosyante. Being a business person, you must walk, talk, act, dress up like a professional businessman. Invest on power dressing. Hindi naman kailangan mahal, basta maganda at malinis tingnan. Because good looks add value at mas trustworthy. Remember this, new look is a result, lalo na sa war market mo, dahil magiging interesado sila at magiging curious sa mga changes na nakikita nila sa iyo. Invest on materials tulad ng business card. Napakahalaga na meron kang business card, lalo na kung professional ang makaka-encounter mo. Gumamit ka rin ng good quality ballpen. Huwag yung basta ballpen lang, tulad ng Panda. Makakasaya ka ng 10% ka, mag-link yung tinta nito. Gumamit din ng magandang notebook, para every time na mag-training ka, maganda yung sinusulatan mo. Value learning over money. Remember this, the more you learn, the more you earn. And believe me, your income will always depend on your level of knowledge. I will give you a simple scenario. What if bago ka pa lang sa network marketing at ito pa lang ang level of knowledge mo? But then again, nakakuha ka ng maraming tao. Tumaas ang level of income mo dahil sa dami ng downlines mo. What if itong mga downlines mo magtagusay? Ng tip, magpa-training sa'yo. At dahil ikaw, ito pa lang ang level of knowledge mo, hindi mo pa sila kayang suportahan, hindi mo pa sila kayang turuan, at hindi mo pa sila mame-mentor. Ang tendency, hahatakin pababa ng level of knowledge mo ang level of income mo. What if naman, ganito ang scenario. Bago ka pala sa network marketing, at dahil sa sipag mo, maka-attend ng trainings, tumaas ngayon ang level of knowledge mo. Ngayon, kahit mabagal ang network mo, okay lang yan. Dahil whatever happens, kapag may nag-join sa'yo, dahil sa taas ng level of knowledge mo, kaya mo silang tulungan, kaya mong suportahan, at kaya mong i-train. Now, whatever happen, kahit mabagal yan, unti-unti yan aangat. Hanggang ma-reach na yung level of knowledge mo. Kaya napakahalaga na umaattend ka ng trainings at nakikinig ka ng mga videos na katulad nito. Have a decent Facebook for your business. Remember this, people will get attracted into people they want to be like. Meaning, you must be a source of inspiration. Be a role model. At kapag professional looking ang FB mo, you will also attract professionals. Have a decent profile picture, tulad dito. Wearing business attire, your team picture, or anything. Basta maganda at decenteng tignan. Huwag gagamit ang mga pictures na katulad dito. Inuman, wacky face, untidy looking, or anything na magmumukhang unprofessional ang Facebook mo. For your cover photos, you can use some of these samples. Pictures about your dreams, your team, picture mo sa isang magandang lugar, positive quotes, or anything. Basta positive tignan. When posting, you can post anything. Basta positive, maganda, at masayang tignan. Tulad ng achievements, travels, bondings, about your dreams, your goals, or even positive quotes, something na magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga audience mo. At huwag mo rin kakalimutang i-post ang mga business activities mo, tulad ng trainings, events, presentations, transactions, etc. Napakahalaga na pinupost mo ang business activities mo. At nang sa ganon, nakikita ng audience mo, masaya ka, at active kang ginagawa ang business mo. At na-attract mo rin sila dahil sa kasipagang pinapakita mo. Again, be a source of inspiration. Ito naman yung mga don'ts, negatives, dramas, problems, tragedies, news, too much spamming. Also, don't use products as your profile picture or cover photo. Remember this, ang tao ayaw ng binibentahan. Kaya huwag ka rin masyadong magpo-post ng too much product info sa timeline mo. Instead, para ma-share mo ang goodness ng ating mga products at makatulong, mag-create ka ng business page or group page. Ngayon, alam mo na ang step-by-step process na kailangan mong gawin para simulan ng negosyo. Always remember this, success is something you attract by the person you become. Again, this is your upline mentor, PJ Leasing. To God be the glory.